Aljon Fernandez. Founder who turned a vision of honest beauty into a reality. Please all rise and make some noise for the President and CEO of Honest Glow, Mr. Dave Villanueva. Please welcome the renowned talent manager and pageant empresario, Mr. Arnold A.L.B. Vegapria. Today, the woman we are about to introduce is a beacon of perseverance, power, and historic Filipino pride to secure the first ever back-to-back victory for the Philippines at the Miss Grand International stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the reigning queen's radiance is undeniably authentic. The woman who perfectly embodies the honest confidence we champion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand International 2025. Way for your Miss Grand International 2025, Miss Emma Mary Tiglao. There you have it. And now let's welcome our newest endorser on stage, the woman of the hour, Miss Grand. Well, our friends from the media, it's more than just a contract. It's a partnership that encourages every one of us to be confident in our own skin. So we are so excited to have Miss Emma Tiglao for Honest Glow family. Okay, Sir Dave, can we have the contract first, holding the contract for the photo up as per our director, before we have the ceremonial shows? Officially signed and sealed.
Grand afternoon, everyone. Ay, walang end. Ulit. Grand afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here to our press, friends. Thank you so much for your time and for amplifying these stories to all the people. And to tell you like a background story, you know that I've been doing pageantry for so many years, and I've been doing TV hosting and field reporting, and I'm working under the sun and under the lights, like these lights. And what we really need is to really take good care of our skin, and I'm thankful that I am now part of Honest Glow family, because the one that we really need right now is an honest care, honest choices, and honest glow. So thank you so much for making me glow, not just in the Philippine stage, but also in the international stage. Maraming salamat po.
And I'm going to ask, when you say yes to Sir Dave, I'm sure a lot of proposals are sent to you with beauty products since you're so beautiful. So what made you say yes to Sir Dave?
Actually, I tried the product first, and then dun pa lang sa pangalan, catchy na eh. Sabi ko, gusto ko siya matry muna para makita natin kung talagang honest ba yung glow na nabibigay niya. And truly, it speaks honest glow to my skin.
Yes. And now, let's hear from Sir Dave. Sir Dave, out of many beauty queens, title holders, influencers, endorsers, what made Emma stand out for you that chose her as the newest ambassador of Honest Glow 190 and Honest Glow Kojing Papaya Soup?
Okay, actually, friends kami ni Emma sa TikTok. Pero we never really met in person. So, nakita ko siya nagko-compete. Sabi ko, ay, parang may laban tayo. And parang 2 days bago yung coronation, sabi ko, ay, deserve niyang i-support. So, pumunta kami doon. And then, nakita ko siya nung final. Sabi ko, oh my God, naka-orange siya. So, kinilig ako. Sabi ko, parang may connection ka agad between pagkakita ko kay Emma on that very stage ng Miss Grand International. Sabi ko, pag nanalo to, huwag na natin pakawalan si Emma. Tapos, the following day, parang nagulat kami kasi si Francis, parang he approached and then, pwede ko na bang i-check? Regarding Miss World, sponsorship. Sabi ko, Kerry, pag-usapan natin, pero I would like to ask one thing sana. Open ba si Emma for endorsement? Kasi I really want her for Honest Glow with that orange gown talaga. So, ayun, I'm very thankful. Hanggang ngayon, lagi kami pinapakilig ni Emma from time to time. So, we're very grateful to Sir PLB, of course, and to Emma for allowing to be the very face celebrity endorser of Honest Glow. It means a lot.
Thank you, Sir Dave. Sir Aljo, would like to say
She is the first one na celebrity endorser ng brand kasi our brand is hindi naman siya naka-focus into celebrity kasi we targeted organic user ng brand to spread syempre through mouth yung kung ano ba yung effect sa kanila ng brand. And yun nga, nung unang kita pa lang namin with Emma, especially nung lumabas siya na kulay koji, alam na namin to. So, sabi namin, we need to get Emma no matter what. So, yun. Yes! And yung iPhone na.
So, paano pala kung naka-black si Emma that time?
Kasi hindi lang naman yung kulay yung nagdala. Kasi kaya last minute talaga napabook kami. Sabi namin ni Dave. Kasi actually, si Dave kasi is into pageant. And nung pinapakita niya sa akin na si Emma lalaban, so sabi ko, so sige book kita. Samahan na kita for to support talaga yung pageant. And from the time na inalam pa namin sa hotel ba si Emma para hindi lang talaga yung sa mismong grand finals yung support. Wala na siyang kawala. Gusto namin siyang ma-meet na in person. So, from the hotel pa lang into dun sa mismong pageant. Binook namin kung last minute nag-book kami dun sa mismong grand finals. And kasi yun nga medyo malayo kahit parang VIP ticket na. Todo sigaw na ng si Dave kasi I'm amazed din with Emma's performance na napakagaling niya dun sa stage. Kaya sabi namin, no matter what talaga kunin na natin si Emma, huwag na natin pakawalan. Ayan.
Thank you, Sir Aljon.